Okay, think back to your notes over the Newton's 3 laws of motion. If you have them with you, you may even want to take them out and use them as a reference. Think about how these 3 laws of motion are found in our daily activities, whether it's playing sports or riding in the car. Let's start with a review of Newton's first law, which states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by another force. So basically, objects will keep doing what they're doing unless some sort of force is exerted on them. So you may remember that this tendency to either stay put or to stay in motion is called inertia. The second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the force exerted on it. So remember, the bigger the mass, the slower something is to get started. On the other hand, the greater the mass, the harder it is to stop or slow down that same object. Think about the example of a car and a school bus. The car is going to be able to speed up or leave a stoplight and speed up much quicker than a bus, but the bus is going to need more time to slow down. That is because of momentum. If you don't remember what momentum is, that's okay. Just go ahead and pause the video and take a second to look that up. And finally, Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If I want to bounce a basketball very high into the air, I'm going to have to first exert a greater force on the ground. So, the less force I use to dribble the ball, the shorter the bounce is going to be. Now that we've reviewed all 3 laws of motion, I want you to go to the physics playlist on our YouTube channel, just where you found this same video, and you're going to watch a 3.5-minute short called For the Birds. You're going to use this short to complete your writing prompt, and then you will complete a short quiz on your Google Docs. Everything that you need can be found there if you need to go back and look at that as a reference.